Having trouble logging into Roblox. Login problems can happen for several reasons, including incorrect account details, internet connection issues, outdated apps, or temporary server problems. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Roblox login problems step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, make sure you're entering the correct username or verified email address and password. Double-check for typing mistakes, incorrect capitalization, or an enabled caps lock key before trying again. Next, confirm that your internet connection is working properly by opening a few websites or running another online application. If needed, restart your router or reconnect to your Wi-Fi network before trying to sign in again. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password or Username option on the login page. Follow the recovery steps using your verified email address or phone number to regain access to your account. Make sure you're using the latest version of Roblox by allowing it to update. If the problem continues, the Roblox service may be experiencing temporary issues. In that case, wait a little while and try signing in again later. Finally, restart your computer and try signing in again. If you're using a web browser, clearing cached files or trying another supported browser may also help resolve login problems. These simple steps often fix common sign-in issues, and that's how to fix Roblox login problems. By checking your account information, internet connection, updates, and recovery options, you can resolve most common sign-in issues and get back to playing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.